the best way to install a water line to your new refrigerator?
So the first thing you want to do is identify where you want to put the valve at. After you identify that, then you go to your local supply house and buy a Pro Press. Once you press your new valve onto the T, you prep the copper, and then you just press that T in. Next thing is to grab your drill, get a paddle bit, don't get safety glasses, and drill upwards looking up and get a ton of crap in your eye. Feed the water line down from upstairs, walk around the basement a bunch of times, and then go back upstairs. Connect the water line, and this is the finished product.